Thank you, Jesus. So guys, welcome to a day in the life of an artificial intelligence and data analytics student. Let's go. As you lay your bed, so you shall lie on it. So you must be wondering why this guy is doing a voiceover for this video right now. It is solely because I didn't say anything throughout the rest of the video, so we're going to do that now. So yeah, let's go. Now it has been statistically proven that whenever you start your day with God, the day always ends well. Trust me, it is just data, not me. Someone explained to me why this guy did not open or drop his Bible early and had to be looking for it when they called a particular passage of the Bible. Genesis chapter number 24. Abraham was old. In Genesis 24, approximately between point onward, there's a lot of shenanigans going on. Me moving, through places like I don't have a job at this particular time. And yes, let's be frank, I don't have a job at this time. Here is looking very cold, like extremely cold. You look at the snow and think it's very light, but trust me, it is cold. And this is what we'll be wearing today. It took me a while to get this sorted, but that's that. Honestly, I don't know why I did this, but I guess a day in the life involves this. I noticed something. Whenever we wake up as people and want to select our clothes in the morning for a particular occasion, we spend nothing less than 5 to 10 minutes, or even more than that, depending on the gender, to just select the clothes. If you multiply it by the days of the week, the days in a year, you'll find out the amount of time we waste on just having to do that. Now, it's customary anywhere I go to always dress like full. I cannot dress lightly, even if the weather is saying otherwise. I cannot, given my own body. Now, this has to come. This has to always be with me. Do you know that for every decision you make, data has been involved in it, no matter how very impulsive the decision was? Even if you made a decision on impulse, the main reason why you made the decision on impulse was because you actually used historical data for that. Now, on our way downstairs, bye-bye. You'll be wondering, why is the video in his leg? You can't see me in the frame, I'm sorry. Organize. Here I am trying to organize the kitchen, not to come back to kind of a messy place after doing the dishes. Yes, so that done. You see, this is probably one of the most annoying things I have to face every morning, is the next thing coming up in the next video. This thing right here is one of the hardest things to do every morning. To lace up this winter boots. You think it's tight until when you walk some few places around. I had to really just skip it because it was a lot to do. So now, I'm going to get prepared for the cold out there. Like I said, never think you'll know how cold it is from just looking at it. You need to actually go outside and feel it, then be sure. Yeah. That's me putting on my glove, wearing on a glasses that makes me look like, I won't even say the word. So that's the time we're going to catch the bus. Yeah. So the next one, stepping out. It was difficult opening this door this morning. It was that frozen. Crazy to open. Somebody has to go out in this one. Open the door, Rick. Fuck, I don't even know I'm holding this phone out in the snow. But I guess it's part of a day in the life. So I'll probably have to turn it off because my battery will die soon. But that's how it is. Simple and short. Yep. I'm 6. Okay. The shoes every time. I must always be covered in the snow. I just got tired of the snow always covering my shoe. Like every single time I step out, I try to even dust it off at the smallest point. But it's part of living here. We have to get out our bus pass because You don't want to stand outside in that coat and not have it ready when you're about to enter the bus. So yeah. So that's it. I'm about to enter. My hands are freezing. I swear to God, if this thing doesn't get like at least 10 likes, we're going to have issues. Yep. The day I was doing that day in life, my phone could not take any more videos. I've been using this one for 5 years, so I'm trying to manage space and all those kind of things. So I did another day. That day was a bit cold. The winter season was still up. But the second day I did the day in the life was spring, because we're transitioning from the winter period to the spring period. So I guess that is somewhat going to be different. So instead of 1 day in the life, we have 2 days in the life. I know it sounds weird. Good morning, guys. How we doing? I'm heading to the bus stop now. So this is the scenery. It's pretty bright at the background, so you might not. Plan was to take a video of the surrounding, but this lady almost caught me. She played it off nicely, so thank you so much for doing that. Someone would come running into this video. There you go. And our bus is coming now. I always love this part of bus ride because you get to see how it looks like in the morning, pretty peaceful and calm. Then we have school right in front of us. That is the pathway or the walkway to school every morning. Let's go. Why do you leave? I don't know why I'm not walking. Look at the out running there. Let's start going quickly. You might notice the camera shaking or not being stable. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up with class. So yeah. So we're in class now. Some of my folks are on that side. This is a picture I took in the class. It's pretty bad, but there you go. It was famished, man. When I go to the library, I have to quickly take something after I'd done a lot of work on Power BI. By the way, that's a visualization tool. You can also use for data cleaning and check the data quality or the quality of a particular data set. So yeah. By the way, I also cooked that meal though, so let nobody whine you. So that is what we did. We've only done 4 pages of visualization. We need to do more, but I felt like at least I had achieved a lot in the short time I was in the library. So at this point, I was just tired, man. My brain had had gone beyond the speed limit. I was already exhausted. So I had to just pack up and make my way down to very, very calming scenes again. Chill. Made me think that it was a smart idea to wear my boots inside the house. So yeah, we're having a prayer meeting that holds every 5:30 to 6 for 100 days. So I had to join quickly after freshening up and changing. So yeah, that is me. So next stop is the gym. We are heading out to the gym. Yeah, we have to get those gains in quickly. Honestly, the time I spend with this dog sometimes it chips in with the amount of time I'm meant to get to the bus stop. But no worries, that's why we leave the house 6 minutes earlier. Another ride. Let's go. And my hands are about to tear open this day because I think I did a new high, the highest amount of weight I can do. Yeah, so this scene caught my eye, so I took a video of that. So there we go. Arrive into this room, and is knackered. That particular hand I used to turn on the light is dead. We move hungry and watching career mode on YouTube. It was nice to see. So that's why you guys have those subtitles. And by the way, I didn't sleep early for some weird reason. Despite the fact that I worked out that hard, I was still busy trying to look at some emails and apply for some jobs. But good night.